Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is LUSY PERMATASARI. I'm from grade 12 Science 2. I want to explain how to activate the alarm clock. The tools we need are an alarm clock and a small battery. Let's study. First, open the battery slot on the back of the alarm clock. Then, insert the battery into the battery slot. Then, close it. On the back of the alarm clock, turn on the alarm switch. Rotate the clockwise slot on the left one to set the clock according to the current hour. Then, rotate the alarm clockwise slot on to the time you want. It's all finished, your alarm clock ready to use. Thank you very much for your attention, and the last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.